Ah, you're sleepy. Okay, I'm back. You're sleepy. Okay, give me. Okay, go back to sleep, Sophie, because I'm also ending this live right now. Are you still there? Because I'm going to end up. I'm going to finish this live right now also. You know, I have pills to help me. Yeah, yeah, okay, yeah. Hello, Tonskill. How are you, Tonskill? Oh my God, we have Tonskill here. Of course, I remember you, Tonskill from England. I remember you, Tonskill. Tonskill. Okay, yes, sir, Badakal. I have to go. Yeah, pills to help me sleep. Yeah, if you're sleepy, you Sophie, just go to bed. Okay, just go to bed now if you feel sleep. Because I'm gonna be ending my live too now. I'm gonna be ending this live too. Are you busy? No, yeah, I'm done. I'm done with everything here. I've done my dinner, Sir Badakal. So I would like to turn off my live right now also. Good memory. Good night. Oh, good. I remember you, Tonskill from England. I remember all my subscriber and also my interactors here in my live. You know, to all of you who always talk to me here, even if you don't talk to me more often, like Sir Tonskill here from England, I can still remember you. Once that you interacted with me, I remember you. Even you just interacted with me once. Okay, I have a very good memory. Very good memory. I have a very good memory, guys. Okay. I have very good memory to all of you people here, but I easily forgot to what I'm doing or what the routine here. If I go upstairs, if I want to get something, and then when I reach upstairs, I forgot it. Sometimes I like that. I'm like that, but mostly really, especially people. I have a good memory with people. Good memory, especially the people that I already interacted with. So it's to all of you guys, it's hard to forget. All right, I really need you to know that certain skill, and also Sophie, I can't to sleep. Yeah, I know, Sophie. I know that you're you have a pill to take too for you to be able to go to sleep. And I really would like you to know that if you are sleepy right now, you can go back to bed and sleep. As long as whenever you feel sleepy, Sophie, you have to go to bed. You have to go to bed and sleep. Okay. You don't need to be if you're sleepy, then you just go to bed. Good memory, good night. I don't. You don't? So you don't remember me? You don't remember me, Skill? I know you're from England, and I know you love Liverpool. Yeah, something like that. And I forgot the other one, the other team that you. Yeah, Sophie. Okay. Hi guys. Hello, Sir Badakal Pramod. I really want to end this live because I only have 35% here in my phone right now. And I'm gonna be preparing for my silent live stream. Yeah, I'm gonna be preparing for my silent live stream also. What is that? I cannot read that in my phone. I cannot read that here in my phone, Sophie. I don't know what is that. Wait, I can read that one only in my personal computer. Yes, I cannot read that graphics here in my phone, but I can read that one in my computer if I'm facing in my computer.